Japan has seen a surprise slide into recession as shoppers and businesses prove reluctant to spend. Figures out Thursday showed GDP falling 0.4% at an annual rate over the October to December quarter. Analysts had expected a solid increase. Instead, the number marked the second straight quarter of contraction, the usual definition of recession. Private consumption, which makes up more than half of all economic activity, was one big negative, falling 0.2%. But capital spending by firms also fell. Those factors overwhelmed a solid rise in exports. Now some economists fear the current quarter could also see a contraction, with negatives including the aftermath of Japan's New Year's Day earthquake. That all poses a fresh dilemma for the Bank of Japan. It had been expected to start moving away from negative interest rates in the coming months, but Governor Kazuo Ueda has said he wants to see signs that rising wages are driving consumption before he acts. Thursday's numbers suggest Ueda may not get the signals he wants to start raising rates. Some economists predict the central bank may even have to sharply downgrade its GDP forecasts. Japan's Nikkei stock index rose around 1% after the data, suggesting some traders are betting rates will stay low for longer than previously expected.
I looked up 5 balance sheets on Moneycontrol. I'll do it on the fly. It took me exactly 3 minutes, thanks to Moneycontrol. First thing to come up is Moneycontrol, so I don't even have to scroll down to look at it. I click and I get what I want.
When I started my career, there was a huge information arbitrage between institutional investors and retail investors. The arbitrage gap between institutional and retail investor has disappeared, mainly due to Moneycontrol.
I think Moneycontrol has emerged as a leading business news source for me, especially around startups and the digital economy, government policy in this area, what's happening in investments.
Absolutely delighted with the news that Moneycontrol has overtaken the Economic Times in terms of news reach and overall reach with the reading populace. This is phenomenal, mind-boggling news, and I am really astounded at this achievement.
Moneycontrol has slowly and steadily become the go-to site for all updates related to the markets, to the economy.
Moneycontrol has good ideas, detailed ideas, stock-specific ideas. All in all, a fun way to learn and enjoy the markets.
All the latest news notifications, whether it's the latest results, whether they are corporate actions, the first notification that I get is from Moneycontrol.
A user of Moneycontrol today is as knowledgeable as an institutional investor. Kudos to Moneycontrol.
Life of the market is Moneycontrol, in the sense that you get everything what needs to be known. I think all in all, it's a good package to have literally free of cost on your hand.
I take this opportunity for the entire Moneycontrol team, congratulating them for emerging as a leading source of business news.
I have to compliment Moneycontrol in pointing out some of the egregious misuse of all cases of fraud, breach of investment advisor regulations, and so on and so forth. So thank you for that.
Congratulations, Moneycontrol, and thank you so much for being there.